Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the Innerlight VFX effect on Higgsfield AI. Now this effect allows you to create a radiant light that generates from within, that's been generated from within the body and spreads throughout the body of the subject. Now you can use this for any of the any of your video effects for proper editing. So let's just get into how you can use this particular effect for free. First thing is for you to go to this website called higgsfield.ai, and it's an AI website that allows you to create the craziest VFX effects all for free. So all you have to do is to sign in or sign up on the website, then click on visual effects, scroll and choose the inner light visual effects here. Then you'll be brought to a page like this. Now ideally you can actually create any of this if you like anyone you're seeing, or let's assume the photo you have is very similar to a pose in any of these video samples. You can just click on it to recreate it, but if none, you can just click on generate to upload your image and generate your customized effects. Now on this page you can upload your image here, then on the prompt section you can describe what you want to see. If you have something that is not in the sample page, you can just describe what you want to see, or the color, or how you want the light effect to take place. So once you're done, the model for this is Higgsfield light, so you can just leave it at this, but you can always change it to whatever model you desire in this model section here. But since you're not choosing that, you can now click on generate. So for these 5 credits, your video will be generated within few minutes, and after some few minutes you'll be able to download it. Now this is an example of the video I did using a different type of effect. So it's really cool to use this website.